Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change the text color in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first, open your Excel document firstly, then you show the text chart is this text is the text color, all text color. Firstly, select your all text. Now going to the font color option, then NHS color. That's okay. Then again select your all text and going to the font color option, then NSS color. That's okay. Then you show the change font color, text color in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.